Hey guys, Firdaus here, and today we are back with another house tour video, and where I'm at right now is at 415A Fernvale Link. So this is a 4-room corner unit with a size of 93 square meter. If you're looking for a house in a new cluster in Sengkang with close proximity to Seletar Mall and comes with an unblocked view, then this could be the right fit for you. So let's check out this unit. This block is just a short few minutes walk to Layar LRT, which is just 3 stops away to Sengkang MRT and Compass 1, and just 1 stop away or about 10 minutes walking distance to Seletar Mall and the upcoming Fernvale Hawker Centre and Market. Being in Fernvale area, you are also in close proximity to the eateries at Jln Kayu and quick access to CTE, TPE and SLE. Now back to the house, it gives you a good space for both your dining and living area with minimal hacking required. So if you are intending to renovate this unit or install any built-in TV console, this will be an advantage for you too. From the living room, along with the other 3 rooms, you will be facing Seletar Springs, which will give you the privacy and unblocked view that you need. This will also brighten up your house with natural sunlight coming in. For the kitchen, it gives you ample walking space with the kitchen cabinet on both sides. And the good thing about the service yard is that it's not facing the corridor and facing east, where the morning sun will shine in, which will help to dry your laundry quicker. The 2 common rooms do not have any built-in wardrobe, hence giving you the flexibility to have your own wardrobe or a built-in without hacking down any. For the master bedroom, even with a queen-size bed and a built-in wardrobe, you can still have a good space, as owners have also placed a study table in the room. Also, you will be able to catch a glimpse of the morning sunlight when you wake up, giving you the good vibe in the morning. And that's it for this house tour. If you'd like to find out more about this unit or for any housing matters, you can contact me at 945-92866 or you can PM me directly. I'll be happy to assist you on it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Firdaus here, signing off.